How to install Apollo Group TV on iPad. Now in this method, I'll show you how you can install Apollo Group TV on your iPad. Now in this process, it's actually similar in doing it on any type of iOS devices that you can use on your end. So of course, the very first thing that you want to have to do is to access Apple Store on your iPad, just like this one. And then from Apple Store, what you want to have to type in on the search bar is simply type in Apollo Group TV and then hit on enter from your iPad. Now you're gonna have to see a lot of results here, and you will also see the Apollo Group, which is actually a similar name but will not actually correlate it into the main application that we are looking for. So all I have to do is to look for this application here. That's going to be Apollo Group TV Fire Stick IPTV. Choose on Get for you to be able to have it installed on your iPad, and it will automatically be installed and you can use it. And that is how you install Apollo Group TV on iPad.